Look how beautiful this bench looks. This was assembled just yesterday. I did this in just 2 or 3 minutes. All you need to do is screw in the metal legs, because yes, those legs are metal. This is a beautiful piece of rustic acacia wood. It is treated, but look how gorgeous that is. It's one slat, one piece of wood. It's got those little like natural curvatures on the actual wood, so it's not a full-on piece, but look how beautiful that is. It does give you that rustic feel. It's beautiful for dining. It's perfect for dining tables, or just like we have it here in an entrance in a mud room or something like that. Perfect when you want to take off your shoes, put on some boots or whatever. It is 18 inches high, so it's very sturdy. It doesn't wobble at all. And my goodness, what a gorgeous piece of wood. We're really, really happy.